Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our, you're not going to believe this, September Scripture Club release. Are you kidding me? It's already September, y'all. The year is flying by. It'll be Christmas. In just a few more months, it'll be Christmas. I can't even believe it. Look at my dirty hands. It's because I've been making samples. Look at that, dude. Oh my goodness. I've been making samples and I'm excited to show you. And I'm really excited to show you this stamp set. I just love it. Okay, listen. If you're not a member of the Scripture Stamp Club, why not? You can't beat the deal. Our stamps are normally this size or 4x6 and they're normally $12.99 in the store. But as a club member, you get a new stamp set every month for only $11.99 and you pay no shipping on that. It comes to you at $11.99. And then as a club member, you get 15% discount on most of your purchases in the store, like more than most, like a lot of your purchases. There's very few things that it's not included on. So sign up for the Stamp Club, link in the description. All the information about it is there too. Y'all just want to see the stamp set. Every month we reveal the scripture set on the 21st of the month at 3 p.m. So here we go. Ready, set, look at this. Oh my goodness, I just love it. Let me make sure there's no glare because I don't have my monitor today. So here we go. First, you'll see that we have Fall for Jesus. He never leaves. I love that one. I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Isn't that beautiful? This set's called Fall for Jesus, by the way. Look at this cross. I'm in love. Look at these. I just love all the little vines, the pumpkins. Love this little 3 set of pumpkins. This is exactly what I needed in my collection. I have a lot of this in my original club set, you know, a lot of different pumpkin-y things like that, but I didn't have it in scripture and I really wanted it. Now, originally when we designed this set, what we had done is we had taken these pumpkins and this cross and we put them together as one image. But then I was like, no, if we separate them, we can do a lot more with it. So that's what we've done. So let's take a look. Look at my samples. So sample number 1 kind of shows you what we had done originally. It was going to be one image like this, but like I said, we decided to pull the cross out so you could use it in other ways. And I think this cross can be used all year long. I think it's so beautiful. Even though it has these leaves, the leaves are just leaves, so they can be any color for the season, right? They can be, you know, dark or they can be light or whatever they need to be for whatever season you're using the cross for. I'm the vine, you are the branches. And look, this is one of the little vine stamps from the set. It's actually, listen, it's not this guy. It's actually this little guy stamped over and over and over and over again. I actually did 2nd generation stamping on that to make it kind of pale like that, but I love it. So there is sample number 1. Now sample number 2 is kind of different and I'm not really sure I fell in love with it after I did it, but I kind of like it. I'll show you. Can you see the glitter? Sometimes it's really hard to see the glitter on camera, but I colored the pumpkins with my kind of 2-tone cheater method alcohol marker coloring. And then I went back with this one. This is the, let me read the color, Blush Rosette Nouveau, what are these called? What are these called? Let me see if I find it here somewhere. I think these are the glitter brushes. Aqua Shimmers. That's what it is. So I did the blush colored one. And you can kind of see everywhere that there was kind of this coppery color. I added that and there's a little shimmer. So I really like how that one turned out. So that's sample number 2. And sample number 3, this is kind of funny. Okay. So I was cleaning out Ben today. If you know what Ben is, say in the comments. I know Ben. I was cleaning out Ben and I found this lone tag. Apparently I've saved this one tag in Ben so that I could use him at some point in time. And I went, I'm going to use him. And look how cute this is. Fall for Jesus, he never leaves, with the cross. And this one is separate. I just have it floating above the pumpkins a little bit. And I did the little, the vines around the side. Isn't that beautiful? And then I did the leaves falling down. Love it. This can be a tag for a gift if you're giving somebody something for the fall, or you can turn this into a bookmark super easy. So those are your samples and I think they're great. I really do. I so love this stamp set. I have wanted something like this, but if you know, I mean, it seems kind of weird, but we're kind of a young stamp company. So I still have a lot of things I'm trying to get in my collection that are kind of the staples that need to be there. But these kinds of things are the things I really am excited to do, where I can just play and do this whole fall theme, right? All right, guys, that is the sample, or that is the set for this month, September of 2021. I can't even believe it. You know the deal. If you make a project using this stamp set, put it on our customer gallery. That enters you to win a $50 gift card, and we give one away every month at the reveal video, and that winner will be in the description below. Thanks so much for being a part of our club and being a part of our crafty fun. And until next time, bye now.